got a lot out of SMA. I think it really helped me to understand myself and how I wanted to run my business. And similar to what Beatrice said, is giving myself permission to run my business in my own way and to understand what my business model is and how it works. So I really recommend it. I think it's fantastic. It works really well with Money Bootcamp, and it just kind of gives you more of an insight into your own personality and creating a business that works for your life. I think that's the main thing. And it's also helped me to be aware of what to say no to and what to say yes to. So when I get opportunities, I kind of think about my archetypes, and that kind of helps me to think, well, is that a good fit for what I want or where I want my business to be going in the future? Like, for instance, I don't want to do a membership, even though it looks like on paper it would be an ideal thing for me. Actually, I know that I'm not going to follow through because I'm an alchemist. So yeah, I really think it's been useful.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.